Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Quickmill Vetrano espresso machine, and we found that this little screen was clogged, and that's Loctite on there, and so the Loctite somehow just got into the screen. So I find it's just best to take these out because most machines don't have them, and I find that they're just troublesome. I also replaced the gasket just because it's not bad, but it'll probably need to be replaced in 6 months to a year. So I just replaced it. And let's go ahead and pull a shot. You can see the pressure comes up right away. I did increase the pressure a little bit. It was on 8 bar. Let me just bring it down a hair. You can see I adjust the pressure here. Just gonna bring it down to 9. There we go. So you might have to adjust your grind a little bit if you were pulling at below 9 bar, because it's going a little bit higher now. And you can always adjust the pressure too. You can access this pressure adjustment behind the panel. The panel has a little cutout with a plastic cover over it, and you can just access it there. Use a flathead screwdriver. Test the steam. Nice strong steam. Test the hot water. Hot water works well. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please check our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.